everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to delete apps in PC so you can free up space and keep your system running smoothly. Now let's get started. Step 1, click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen and select the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. The Settings window is where you can control and manage different system options on your PC. This is the first place to go when you want to remove installed applications. Step 2, inside Settings, click on Apps and then select Apps and Features from the left side. This section displays all the programs and applications currently installed on your computer. It helps you manage, modify, or uninstall software easily. Step 3, scroll through the list of installed apps or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the app you want to remove. The search feature is useful if you have many programs installed and want to save time. Make sure you select the correct app before proceeding. Step 4, click on the app you want to delete and then click the Uninstall button that appears. This option starts the removal process and prepares the system to delete the selected program. Step 5, confirm your choice when the pop-up appears by clicking Uninstall again. Windows will then remove the app from your PC, and once the process is complete, the program will no longer be installed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.